Welcome back. To solidify our understanding of custom exceptions, we will work through a more comprehensive example using a data processing scenario. This program will require us to define a small hierarchy of custom exceptions to handle different types of data validation errors. 1. Defining an exception hierarchy. It's often helpful to create a base custom exception, like data validation error, that inherits from the main exception. Then we create more specific exceptions that inherit from our base class, such as missing field and invalid value. This structure allows us to catch all data errors generically or handle specific errors individually. 2. Function with multiple validation checks. Our process_record function now uses these exceptions. It checks for a missing name, then a missing age. Crucially, it then checks if the age is a valid positive integer. If any of these business rules are violated, we use the raise keyword to interrupt execution and signal the precise error condition using the appropriate custom exception. 3. Catching the hierarchy. We test two scenarios. In the first example, we catch the specific missing field exception. In a larger try-except block, you may catch the generic data validation error to handle all derived errors with a single handler. This flexibility, enabled by the exception hierarchy, is extremely valuable for complex systems. Remember, always catch the most specific exceptions first. To summarize, we've now learned creating, raising, and handling specific custom exceptions. But what happens to the errors we catch? We need a system to record them. Our next lecture 22.08, Logging in Action. See you there.